Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be going over Monday's pricing action on the OTC Markets and NASDAQ penny stocks. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ABML at 6 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, GGII at 0.005, and HMBL at 0.027. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. For US and Canada, simply enter 1 plus your area code and number. For outside the US and Canada, simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And many times we do text-only alerts. This is the fastest way we've found to get an alert out to our subscribers. Email, many miss it. So this is why it's very important to be signed up with your mobile number. With that out of the way, let's dive right into the charts here. And first up is RGBP and RGBPP. We talked about this one over the weekend. We said RGBP stock, nickel, dime, quarter, dollars. You're going to want to check this out. This is a nice start to the week. Closed up 22%. We really like RGBP. We nailed this one back in April for almost 10 bagger, so it was this is one that we know quite well, and we think RGBP is setting up to run again. So definitely check out the article that my colleague Jared Wesson wrote. I will include links in the article in the description, so check that out. And what I like about the chart is it's trading above the 200-day, the 50-day. We're right at and also above the 20-day. So technically, this is looking prime for a move. RSI is around 50, so it's not oversold, not overbought. It's a perfect setup to continue the run. DSMTF, talked about this one last week, was up 18%. My colleague Ryan Mitchell wrote this one up. You're going to want to check this out. 4 copper stocks to play the EV boom. He talked about FCX, Freeport McMoran, Southern Copper, ORRCF, which is Oroco Resources, and DSMTF. Talked about this one last week, and if you look over here, ORRCF, this has been a big runner. It was as low as 20 cents last year, has run all the way to $3. So this has been, these copper stocks are a great play on the copper boom. There's a lot of commodity shortages right now, and with the global economies opening back up, there's strong demand for everything copper. So as copper prices continue to climb, we expect ORRCF and DSMTF to continue climbing. IDEX had a good day, up 17%. This is one we've covered a lot here at Insider Financial. This one has a history of big runs. This is a classic example of keep buying dips, selling rips. The chart, has been a giver if you follow that strategy for the past years. So it's broken through the trend line here. They did an offering or convertible in the after hours. They announced they're going to be putting almost $400 million cash on the balance sheet. I think they're going to go shopping, and they're going to make some moves. So IDEX, the stock was down about 6-7% in the after hours, but we still like IDEX. And anytime a company can raise money, pay off more expensive debt, and then use the cash to go on an acquisition binge, which is what IDEX has been doing, it's a win-win for shareholders and the company. So definitely IDEX is one you want to be covering, and my colleague Ryan Mitchell will be doing a deep dive on that one today. So we'll be sending that out to our subscribers. So again, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you don't miss any news from the site. NWBO, this has just been an incredible performer past 2 days. My colleague Chris Sandberg highlighted it recently. You can go to this little magnifying glass, enter any stock you want. You can check out our coverage, and it says here Northwest Biotherapeutics, breadcrumbs to point to ASCO announcement of top-line data. So this American Society of Clinical Oncology annual meeting is going to be held next month, June 4th to the 8th, and all clues are pointing that management is going to do a release during that meeting. So this one is really has huge potential. The study is for glioblastoma, which is brain cancer. There's no known cure. This study has been 15 years in the making. So if the data is strong, I mean, this thing is off to the races. I've heard estimates, if it's positive, where the stock could be $10, it could be even $50. So a lot of exciting things if this NWBO data is positive. ENZC, this one has been forming a rounding bottom here, up 8% yesterday. We really like this one. This is definitely a good bounce bottom play. It's oversold. RSI, what is it here? 44. It got as low as 37, 35 last week. This one has a lot of room to run. There's a lot of catalysts. We've covered it in depth on the site. So again, you can go over and check out all our coverage here if you just type in ENZC and see what we've said about it. This has been one we've talked about this one as early as last October. We said on October 6th, ENZC and Bioclonetics, a perfect merger. You go back here, October 6th, and the stock that day was just 0.014. So again, this is an example of what we mean, finding the momentum before it happens. Got our subscribers in here in October, and then it ran all the way to $1. So almost a 100 bagger at the peak. So again, just an amazing runner last year. We think ENZC could be gearing up for another run here. So this is definitely one you want to have on your radar list. HSSHF, we talked about this one for our subscribers last week when it dipped under $1. This one had a nice move last week after our alert. So again, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We put out an alert Monday at the bell. Stock was up 25%. We're looking for more. We think this one, I'm not going to tell you, it's only for subscribers. We'll be telling you about our regular readers next week. But it was up 25%, and we think that there's going to be some fireworks coming this week. NASDAQ. So exciting things there for our latest alert. We got one coming on Wednesday, I think. I have about 5 on my radar that I'm looking at, doing a deep dive. So, again, make sure you are at, sign up with your email and mobile. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you don't miss any of these alerts. What I like about HSSHF, it's a blockchain play, Bitcoin mining play, and even with Bitcoin dropping, this thing's running. So it tells you they know what they're doing. Humble, this was the biggest runner last year. We nailed this one. Our subscribers got in at 0.027. You go over here to the site, TSNP, do a search. And we said TSNP Humble merger is a really big deal. You go back to November 13th when we talked about it. So, November it was down here. So, again, another example of catching the, momentum before it happens, positioning our subscribers early before the big move. Guys, I don't know how long some of these plays take. Some are a few days, some are a few weeks, and some are a few months. This is why I really suggest, you sign up. We have an ebook that talks about how to trade and things that we look for, and, learning how to understand your own emotional psychology, because managing your emotions is extremely important. But I'm a big proponent of swing trading, buy dips, sell rips. If you did that on Humble, you did even better than buying and holding. So, it rallied here, sold off, rallied, sold off, rallied, sold off, rallied, sold off, rallied. So, these are the things that the chart setups we like. So, definitely, buy dips, sell rips. I feel that is the best strategy in these markets. So it allows you to record a P&L, put some money on the side, and, if you sell high, buy low, it allows you to even have a bigger position than you started with. So definitely a way to play the game. Our latest big runner is GGII. We alerted our subscribers at 0.005, ran all the way to 16 cents. We're getting some profit taking here. We still like this one long term. This is one, if you missed it, definitely you're going to want to buy the dip on this one. This has the stop sign. There's going to be a change of control. They're going to merge Hempico. It's hemp cigarettes. They really want to disrupt the tobacco industry. Great team with Jorge Olson, Sandra Piacone. These guys really know what they're doing in San Diego. So definitely you're going to want to check out what we've talked about on GGII. We talked about this one. This was 2 weeks ago, again, before the big run. GGI stock, nickel, dime, quarter dollars. So, again, we really like this one, and, it got a big move. And, again, this is following the same pattern that we see on the OTC is, explosive moves higher, pull back 50%. This is very common. So, don't panic. But if you learn to trade the way we recommend, again, we're not financial advisors, but buying dips, selling rips, best strategy in these markets. So make sure you go over and sign up and get that ebook. And I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Wish everyone a wonderful and profitable trading day. And I just want to thank all of our subscribers. So go ahead and join and sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Thank you, everyone, and chat soon. Bye-bye.